Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I combine trend indicators to create a high probability strategy. I make use of Supertrend Indicator, MACD and Stochastic Oscillator to find an entry level in the market. I'm going to be sharing with you how I find an entry level, the candlestick I use, and also the expiration time I use with this strategy. Everything I'm going to be sharing with you right here on this video. If this is the first time of you seeing our content, and if at the end of this video you're able to find value on this content, don't ensure you subscribe to this channel, hit notification bell so you miss any of our amazing videos. As a reminder, everything I'm going to be sharing right here is based on my own personal experience in the market. I'm a trader, I'm not a financial advisor, so if you need to take any financial decision, do ensure you consult your financial advisor. Right here on the chart, I'm going to be using a Supertrend MACD and Stochastic Oscillator. So the settings of my Supertrend comes with the ATR period as 10, the multiplier as 2.6. Right here on the star level at the upper section, I'm going to be using a red color. I'm going to set it on 2 pixels, while the down section I'm going to be using a green color and I'll set it on 2 pixels as well. So when I'm done, I'll click on save. My MACD comes with the settings of the fast period as 13, the slow period as 27, while the signal period as 8. Right here on the star level at the up section of the histograph, I'm going to be using a green color, while the down section I'm going to be using a red color. The MACD line I'm going to be using a green color and I'll set it on 2 pixels, while the signal line I'm going to be using a red color and I'll set it on 2 pixels as well. So when I'm done, I'll click on save. My Stochastic Oscillator comes with the settings with the K period as 26, the D period as 6, the smoothing period as 6, the moving average SMA. Right here on the star level, I'm going to leave the color just like this and I'm going to be putting them on 2 pixels each. So when I'm done, I'm going to click on save. So with this strategy, I'm going to be using the normal Japanese candlestick. I'm going to be setting it on 15 seconds candle time frame. I'm going to be setting my expiration time to be on 1 minute. So right here I found an opportunity for a down position. So the first thing I put into consideration is the consistency of a candlestick. So whenever there is consistency of a candlestick, it gives me an idea that there is liquidity in the market to push the market towards a particular direction. A situation whereby I have an unstable candlestick or a doji candlestick, I don't find an entry level, so I only go into the market when I have a stable candlestick, each candlestick engulfing each other. The next thing I also put into consideration is my super trend. My super trend has to give me a signal to go into the market. So in the case of a down position, it has to be giving me a sell signal to go for a down position. The same thing with my MACD. My MACD line has to intersect each other. In the case of a down position, the red line has to be above the green line to give me a downward opportunity. While with my Stochastic Oscillator, I also have to see the 2 lines intersect each other. In the case of a down position, it has to intersect in the overbought condition going towards a downside direction. All this should be able to happen at the same time to confirm my entry level into the market. So right here I'm finding an opportunity for an up position. So right here I have a stable candlestick, though I'm able to have a doji candlestick right here up until I'm able to see a stronger candlestick to confirm an upward directional move. My super trend also give me confirmation into the market, and also my MACD and my Stochastic Oscillator, they all have to be happening at the same time. So right here I make another one. So right here I'm finding an opportunity for an up position. So right here I have a stable candlestick, and also I get my confirmation from my indicators. So right here I also make another one. So right here I'm finding another opportunity for a down position. Got my confirmation, but right here the candlestick becoming a doji candlestick. So anytime I have this kind of candlestick, tends to give me there is indecision in the market. I have to wait for the market to decide where it wants to go before I can go into it. So right here I'm finding a stable candlestick. So situation whereby I find a doji candlestick, I don't just go into the market. I have to see a consistency of the candlestick to confirm the direction of the market. So right here I also make another win. So right here I'm finding an opportunity for a down position. So I have a stable candlestick right here. I got confirmation from my MACD and Stochastic Oscillator. So right here I found a reversal of the market towards an upside direction. Though I got a confirmation from my indicators, but because the market is saying otherwise, that's the reason why I'm not going to go into the market. So right here I'm finding another opportunity into the market. So I'm having a stable candlestick. I don't only go into the market when I found the confirmation from my indicators. I also have to see the movement of the candlestick to confirm my entry level. So right here I'm going to go for an up position. So right here I also make another win. So right here I'm finding an opportunity into the markets. So I want the candlestick to be a bearish candle. So right here I make another win. So this is where I'm going to stop on this video. So if you find value on this content, don't share, subscribe to this channel, hit notification bell so you miss any of our amazing videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video.